Hey, Shane here with Hangar 8 Media, and we are loading up, heading to Sun and Fun 2018. You see we've got Cherokee 6, Brian and Wynn and Tony. And we've waited around here at Gainesville long enough. Weather should be clearing up. I think it's clear enough for us to launch out. So we'll get back with you when we get down to Sun and Fun.
Cherokee 33307 is radar contact, free south of Gainesville. You flew to the Gulf India Foxtrot Airport via radar vectors direct. Landing 160 and climb and maintain 7,000.
Alright, so he's got us. We're about
to verify altitude leaving the Atlanta altimeter for approaching Athens, altimeter 3003.
3003, and we are leaving 2,300.
The heading's a little bit southeast on there. The one you could do direct, you would do like 7 or 9,000 as a final.
Let's go up to 9, please, 307.
307, roger. Maintain 7,000 for now. You can expect 9 or 1,000 as a final.
7 for now, 9 later. Thank you, 307.
Hi guys, it is Wednesday here at Sun and Fun 2018. After much determination Monday, we ended up turning the plane around, going back to Gainesville, getting in the Suburban and driving down. There was some nasty storms, and I think we made the right decision. So we got down here late Monday night, actually early Tuesday morning, and then Tuesday it poured down rain all day, so we stayed inside the booths, no footage for anything like that. Today, as you can see, we're just bumming around looking at all the cool stuff here at Sun and Fun 2018.